everybody, it's Greg from Nexus Property Management. We're here at Nexus headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and today in this video, we're going to talk about a good old-fashioned scam and cheese. That's right, S-C-A-M, scam. Who doesn't love a good scam? Well, I have one for you. What is it? We were scammed. Nexus was scammed. Can you believe that? We're not perfect. We don't claim to be. We're pretty dang close. But we were scammed. Unbelievable. Here's how it happened. We have a software, a tenant payment software. So the tenants, they jump on there, they click in their rent amount, what they want to pay, they click submit. But that takes, on average, 3 to 4 business days. So, a tenant who's not very law-abiding, I would say, decided to do this. She hooked up a payment account to an account with no money, or less than no money. And what she would do is make a payment weekly for $250. Pretty odd. Some tenants like to pay weekly, I guess. No big deal. But the thing was, every time she made a payment, a week and a half later, it would bounce back. To us, we were like, oh, okay. She got no money, insufficient funds. But the payments kept happening every week. It would come in, satisfy the balance, because we wouldn't wait for the payment to clear. We'd just ship it out to the owner because we're good like that. We don't want to hold it 5, 6, 7 days. We sent it right out, but then it would get reverted once the payment bounced. So what she would do is continue to make these phony payments from this bogus account, give her the instant credit, and then 2 weeks later it would bounce back. So the problem is, we never could file an eviction because the amount kept jumping back and forth, and that demand letter that you send out has to be correct to the penny or else it gets thrown out. And she would always make that new payment. And after a while, a couple months, we caught on and we said, listen, enough with the back and forth. We're shutting off your payment account. You have to pay by money order or cashier's check. We're not even taking a personal check from you. And then she moved out. It's sad. It's unfortunate that it took us a couple months to catch on to that scam, but it happens. We're managing thousands and thousands and thousands of payments on a weekly and monthly basis. And this one, very odd, passed through. But now we know. So, my advice to you as a property owner, as a property manager, is once you see more than, I'd say, 3 insufficient funds chargebacks or kickbacks, bounce backs from that tenant, you should contact that tenant immediately, or just like we did, you shut off the payment account. They can no longer pay online. They have to pay in person. Drop it off or mail it. Because that would be guaranteed if you had that money order or that cashier's check. But she would bounce in, make a payment, bounce out, bounce in, bounce out, back and forth, back and forth. It confused the hell out of the software, us, the owner. It was a total mess. But she got away with it. A couple months. We kept her deposit when she left, so it helped offset, okay, the loss incurred by that owner. And it was a learning lesson. A learning point, it will never happen again. And now we're that much better. So it took that. Everybody deals with a negative experience. And I wanted to share this with you to humanize us and show you that, yes, we have a lot of the answers, but we don't have all of them. And here's a perfect example. So accept our humbleness, our humility, and learn from it. Once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.